Hey guys, today I would like to show you a plugin I have been using on my master bus lately. Let's listen to what we have for this demonstration. Today I'm going to show you how to use Lift by Acoustica Audio. We're going to enable our saturation and our clipper. I will push my saturation to around 7 o'clock. I will also push my clipper to around 1 o'clock. We will use mode 2 and we're going to set up our threshold. This slider here controls your rate curve. We're going to set that to 3, being a smoother curve. If you would like a steeper curve, you would set it to mode number 1. But for now, we need it at 3. And we are ready to listen to it. Here is before. After. Give it a try and let me know what you think.